Are AI chatbots the solution you've been looking for when it comes to sales and prospecting? Maybe, but let's have a conversation. Before we decide that we want to put an AI chatbot in charge of our online sales or online customer service and reach that nirvana where, hey, we can just simply lean back and let AI answer all of our customers' questions, I've got a question for you. That question, really simple. Would you trust ChatGPT to create you 30 days of social media posts, one post a day, so 30 social media posts, and publish all of them without ever previewing them? Think about that for a moment. We want to have AI chatbots take over our entire sales and prospecting force. We want them to deal with prospects that are looking to us where we need to build that rapport, we need to build trust, and we want to turn all that over to an AI bot that may or may not reply perfectly to them. Yet, we wouldn't in most cases, because I'm betting you answered no, we wouldn't in most cases trust ChatGPT to create 30 days of social media posts for us without us at least proofreading them. By the way, I'm not proposing that you do that. I think it would be a great thing to have ChatGPT help you create those social posts, and I believe that it would be a great thing to proofread them before putting them up, because I think that's important. Am I saying that AI chatbots are terrible and that we shouldn't use them? No, in fact, I think AI chatbots are amazing and can add a tremendous amount of value. But as a business owner speaking to you and someone who spends a lot of time in AI, I want to encourage you to get your expectations aligned properly. Those AI chatbots can be used and how they can be used effectively in your business. And I believe that AI chatbots are an amazing tool, but I want to make sure you set your expectation right. So before you implement that AI chatbot and think your sales are going to go through the roof and that everybody's going to be thrilled, just ask yourself that question. Do you really want to trust an AI tool to be the sole responsibility of building that trust and that rapport with the brand new prospects that are reaching out to your business for the first time? Let me know it on the comments. I'd love to hear your perspective. And again, I want to encourage you to embrace bots, but do it with the right perspective. And I'd love to know your questions. If you'd let me know down in the comments, I'll record some follow-up videos to answer those as well. Go make it a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.